Hi, my name is Adrian Pagdin. Welcome to our e-learning capsule series on project management. This series has been designed to support prior learning, and each module represents a refresher on one of the key topics of project management. Our objective is to provide a short, effective capsule, provide you with confidence, competence and tools to execute project management activities. Capsule number 13, Lessons Learned. The objective of this 5-minute capsule is to provide the confidence and the competence to conduct lessons learned activities. Let's start off by revisiting the purpose of these initiatives. Imagine hearing the comments, "This always happens," followed by, "We never learn." Well, most organisations' commitment to lessons learned is poor. Lessons learned exercises have one simple aim: to ensure that the next time an initiative is undertaken, then the degree of uncertainty and unknown is reduced. The cycle illustrates an ongoing commitment to performance improvement. And in summary, here are 4 key benefits. Lessons learned will improve performance. Lessons learned will develop organisational capability. Lessons learned have the potential to develop competitive advantage. And lessons learned will certainly avoid duplication and increase efficiency. What lessons are we aiming to achieve, and how do we do that? Here are 3 questions that we should be asking at the end of every project initiative. What did we do well? What could be improved upon? And how can this learning be applied to future initiatives? Please note that all of these 3 questions are focused on positive outcomes. There are many ways to conduct lessons learned. Individual written or posted feedback and comments are useful, as is running a workshop while the issues and actions are still fresh, preferably before the team are reassigned to new initiatives. So within the context of the 3 questions stated previously, here are some tips to consider when running a lessons learned workshop. Make sure that you have the right people there, and the people that contributed, made the decisions, carried out the work, and received the changes. When you're inviting people to a workshop and introducing the workshop, clearly state the reason that they are there, the outcome and the objectives. You may remember the difference between outcome and problem thinking from a previous capsule. We're looking to focus on outcomes that can increase our performance going forwards, not to discuss problems. Everyone that's been involved in the project has an emotional bias. So consider using a neutral facilitator to capture unambiguous lessons learned. And finally, focus on positive outcomes that can drive positive change and update organisational process assets. Organisational process assets, by the way, is our organisational learning from previous activities, so that the next time we have got a starting point. So we've discussed the importance of lessons learned to organisational and personal development and looked at how to capture the information gathered. Let's finally take a look at some best practice tips. Set aside time and resources for lessons learned during the planning phase. Consider outcome, not problem thinking. Commit to using organisational process assets as an input to all new projects. And retain documentation, specifically risk, issue and change logs for future reference. We hope that you've enjoyed this capsule. Please browse our other online resources, and if you'd like to know more about open or in-house workshops, please contact us.